Welcome to Tech Engineering. Today I will show you how to create a cylindrical pipe in SolidWorks. So to start with this, you have to choose your plane. So here is the front plane, the top plane, and the right plane. So you have to click on your plane, then sketch. So this is the front plane. So we will need two lines, one in the horizontal axis and one in the vertical axis. So this is my horizontal line. You have to select the point on the axis, then you extend it to any point that you want. And you also have to get our vertical line, which we will extend to this position here. So after that, we can assign dimensions to our line. So let us assign dimension to this section to be 15 centimeters and our vertical axis to be 10 centimeters. So after getting these two profiles, we have to get our next profile. That will be our cylindrical profile. Okay, so after drawing this line here, you will come to this sketch here, then we exit our sketch. Okay, so this line here is in our front plane, so you have to get our pipe either on this axis, this point, or on this point. So this point here will be the right plane, and this point here will be our top plane. So first of all, let's start with our right plane. So you right click on our right plane here, then we will come to this plane here, we choose plane, then we can select our points. So this is where we select our points. After that, we have to identify our sketch on our plane. Okay, so we will right click on the plane here, then sketch. So that's it. So we have our circle here. Right click on circle and draw your circle. Because it's a pipe, it has to be hollow, so we have to also draw another pipe inside here, so we can have our pipe here. So this pipe here, we can give a thickness of 0.05 centimeters. So this is our thickness of our pipe, and we can assign our diameter of our external circle to be 5 centimeters. So this is our pipe here. Yes, this is our pipe. So this is too big, so let us reduce it to 3 centimeters. Yes, so after having these two profiles, then we exit our sketch. So now we have our two sketch. Then we come to this feature here. It is called the swept boss. So right click on your swept boss. So the first profile will be selected, then you assign your second profile. So this is your pipe. Okay, so the angle of this pipe here is 45 degrees. So if you want to change the angle of our pipe here, you have to come to this swept boss. So this is our sketch, our line sketch. Then we come to this section here. It is called edit. So we have to edit our line, but this line here is vertical. So let us delete the vertical here, then we can assign our angle to this line here. So instead of here to be 90 degrees, we can choose here to be 120. Then you right click on your line. So if you close your sketch here, you have to get your pipe being bent in 120 degrees. Yes, So if you want to apply a fillet here, then we can also select our line here, then we edit our sketch. So this is called fillet tool. So we have to choose the fillet, then we choose our point. We can give the fillet radius. So here tool is okay, right click, then close your edit sketch. So we have our pipe in 120 degrees. So this is how to draw a pipe in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial.